over now because it could withstand the amount of traffic we have up today's roads. Whereas that.
So vlog, Mom found the only cow experience somehow on this journey.
Those are big. Oh, baby. These are wet. Hey.
They did destroy the bag.
Wow. No. Okay.
Hello.
How far to the gate is always the question. Like where do we get off?
Hey there, all your random YouTube viewers. So today we are going on the Jacobite Train tour, also known as the Hogwarts Express. I'm super excited, and my mom found somehow cows. You can feed cows, and I found cheese. So we're all having a fantastic time. Yes, we get to go around the Highlands. This is like a 13-hour bus tour. A lot of driving today. It's super funny though because we're going to go near Inverness. We'll see the Isle of Skye from afar. And then tomorrow my mom and I go up to Inverness, and the next day we're going on an Isle of Skye tour. So hopefully no overlap in the places that we're going. It's starting to really smell like cows, and I'm gonna go over there so that the bus doesn't leave without me. Yes, this is important footage. We'll get to the train later.
The colour of the heather's just disappeared now into the autumnal colour now, very brown. Just a month or so ago it was very purple everywhere with the flower.
We got the Black Lake from Harry Potter over there. And we've got the viaduct, which we will be on later. We're all on a rock taking photos. What up, gamers? We at the Black Lake from Harry Potter. I don't know what it's actually called. I assume it's not called the Black Lake from Harry Potter. Why is that the angle that I just started for all the vlogs? I do not know. I do not know.
Just they were on a roll in England and taking over many towns and cities. They didn't get the support of their friends they hoped. The Bonnie Prince. Look at the view there. And of course, many of them disbanded.
Welcome to my lake. So every single restaurant here has contamination shellfish, so I can't eat anything. So I went to the Co-op, tuna and mayo sandwich, got some chicken bites, got some chips, and a Kit Kat. We at the Hogwarts Express. The front is over there. I can't get a video of it for now. This was my favorite day of the trip. I love a good themed gimmick. The bus tour arranged our seats on the train, and our tour guide drove down to Fort William to pick us up afterwards. They even had a candy trolley where I got some butterbeer hot chocolate. The train part of our tour was about 2 hours and guided us along the Highlands and over the Glenfinnan Viaduct, which was seen in Harry Potter. The viaduct is 380 meters long, making it the longest concrete railway bridge in Scotland, and it crosses the river at a height of 30 meters.
There's 2 spaces to catch it.
Oh, no, that was a ship.
There it is there, look. Dumbledore's Island. Right, you're going to get another space coming here the now. There again, look. Just be ready. Stand by. Way up.
All of those people taking photos of us.
It's mostly just of those people.
So maybe I wasn't able to get a good shot of the viaduct from my side, but it was pretty fun to see the crowds of people taking photos of us, taking photos of them. And everyone on the train was having a great time with it.
Wow. Oh, we don't need to go. We don't need to go to the zoo anymore. We're in the
Doing a picture with it? Stand right there.
Hello, Maya and Co. Apparently this is the largest uninhabited part of land in the entire UK, so I think it's remote enough. Hello everybody, welcome to the photo op, the last photo op before our snack break, and that 2 hours to get back to Edinburgh.